How to apply for Indian driving license abstracts for your Canadian driving license application. Visit Sarthi Parivahan website. My suggestion, my trial, it is better to do it on the phone, much easier. Select your state. Select your RTO office. In my case, it was MH14. Scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see the option Apply Online. Select the option Apply Online. Where you will see driving license services on driving license. You have to select that option. This is where they explain what services are available, and in that list you can see the available service DL extract on the 11th number. Press continue on this screen. This is where you will need to put in your driving license number and select the date of birth. That's it, very basic. So I had my driving license number ready and my birth date. You have to select. After entering the driving license number and birth date, you have to press the option get the DL details and your driving license detail should appear. This is where you have to select yes for the confirmation of all the details are correct. Type in your PIN code and state. Select proceed. It should go on the next screen. Here you see an actual driving license looking like image. In the bottom there is an option for mobile number. Make sure that's the updated mobile number, because on this mobile number they're gonna send you the application number. So update it. Employer category you can leave. Go further. Select DL extract. The services you require is a DL extract. So tick the DL extract square. Press proceed. Enter the CAPTCHA. Tick the required boxes. Submit. eVahan should send you the SMS with the application number at this stage. Select the option for printing acknowledgement, or you can just screenshot the application. This is the only printout document what you need to take with you. So this is the window where I have submitted my printout application form. That's for the MH14 RTO. So in your RTO you have to find a window which says driving license services, or the window where all the completed forms, for example the people who have done the trial for learning license or permanent license. After submitting that form, they will verbally let you know that they have approved your application and You should get the printout of your application from your Sarthi ID. So all you have to do is basically now go outside any Xerox vendor and you will get the printout like this. Process doesn't end here. Share your application number with any of the local Xerox vendors, or you can do it by yourself by logging in your Sarthi with the all details and then put your application number. This thing should pop up. You get the printout. Normally what they say is this is where all your job is done, but my own experience from my friends, you require a stamp and signature on this. Basically all you have to do is now take this Xerox or printout, go to the RTO office. In my RTO office it was done in a non-transport department, top floor. You can ask the same guy who approved your application. If he has the authority, he'll stamp and sign, or he'll let you know where is the department for stamp and signature. So far in this process, no money involved in government process. So when you make Sarthi application, no need to do any payment. Till this time, no need to do any payment. All you spend is for this copier's Xerox. That's it. This is how something your DL extract should look like. Stamped on the photo, signature in the bottom, the digital signature with the actual pen signature and the stamp. That's it. This is where all the process done. I'm adding the next video for my memories, how I did this, what was the time, because it was a COVID time. You can leave here, all the process is done. That's it.
चलो मिल गया, abstract मिल गया. It is mentioned in the abstract that my driving license was made in 2007. I had a DL endorsement of TR in 2009. Then I had a renewal for 2018. So as per this document, my current driving license is made in 2018. 18 का 6th month. So 2018, 18, 19, 20. Might be, I don't know when the VSF is gonna open and when I'm gonna land in Canada. तो वो फ्यूचर में पता चलेगा शायद. ये this one I'll add to something. Yeah, I'm doing this because ये direct RTO वाला information wasn't available. एक बॉम्बे वाला बंदा था, he made a really nice video, but what happens after doing the online video, it wasn't available anywhere. So that was the reason making this. This is the reason to remember that I did this in the time where the corona was in very high. So RTO पे आओ. First thing first, get the application printout from the application number which you have on the SMS. Get it print out outside as well. This is how something it looks like. Go to the bottom window, ask them to approve your application. It's in their hand. They'll approve your application. Bad lighting. Okay. So they'll approve your application. एक बार application approve हो गया, come outside RTO again. Go to any Xerox vendor. Again, share the same application number with them. What they'll do, now they'll have the thing available on your ID. अभी इसमें मजा क्या है, ये प्रिंट करने के लिए उनको पता है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. They'll charge you 20 rupees for this. क्या करना है यार, 20 रुपये. But anyway, गवर्नमेंट का चार्ज 0. गवर्नमेंट haven't charged us anything. But चलो 25 रुपीज़ बस हो गया. RTO सब हो गया. चलो बंद करते हैं.